Listen, exercise 7.1, sum number 5. 4 persons live in a conical tent whose land height is 19. Each person required 22 meters square of the floor area. Find the height of the tent. Right? So here given is 4 persons live in a conical tent. Slant height 19. Right? So listen. So slant height 19 is given. This is conical tent surface area, right? Here 4 persons are living. For one person, for place 22 centimeter they need. So 4 person means the living area, the conical tent. So 4 into 22, what? 88 meters square. So 4 persons live here means we need what? 88 meters square area. So in the conical tent is there, slant height 19, that is this is L19. But here the surface area, what is they are not given, but they are given is what? For one person they record 22 centimeter, but they live in the living 4 persons are living. So 4 into 22, 88 meter. This area is what? 88 meter square. Then this is R, this is H. They are asking what? Find the height of the conical tent they are asking. Right? So this is what in cone, like this we are having on cone. This is what? Area of the circle. This is area of the circle. So area of the circle formula is what? Pi r square. So this one I write pi r square. Pi r square equal to 88 meter square. Clear? So then here we need to find height. Height means L we know, H we don't know. So here R, we need to find the R means for here 22 by 7, pi equal to 22 by 7, R square equal to 88, 22 4 times 88, R square equal to this 7 into 4 cross multiply 28, R square equal to 28. So now we know the L and R. So see here, this is L19, H we need to find, R square is what? 28, right? So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, because this is what? Right angle triangle shape. So we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Longest side, that is L. L is longest side equal to H square plus R square, right? So what I am doing, L square equal to H square plus R square. L equal to root of H square is what? We don't know. Wait. L square we having only. So L square equal to what? L equal to 19. L square equal to 19 square. 19 square. This equal to H square we don't know. We need to find plus R equal to what? R square 28. Now only we are finding. So 19 square is what? 19 into 19. 361 na? 19 square 361. So 361. This 28 I take this side means minus 28 equal to H square. 361 minus 28. So 5, 11, 3, 3, 3. 3, 33 is answer. So therefore H equal to root of 333. Right? 333. Right? So H equal to what? We have to take the square root of 333. 3, 3, 3. How we have to find the square root means from the last digit onward we have to take the pair. 2 numbers we need to take. So this is one pair. So So remaining only one number we are having. So here 2 2s are here. What your number you have to put means same number we need to put here. Suppose here 2 2 means 4 we are getting. So the number is what 3 only. So 1 1 is only possible. So 1 ones are 1. Remaining is what 2. These two numbers we need to write here. So now 233. Then here 1 means here we need to put 2. Always double. Here 1 means 2. 2 means 4. Like that we have to put, and also here you are putting 1 means here also you need to put 1. Clear? So here 1 means here 2. Now 233. Suppose here I put 5 means here also you need to put 5. 25 into 5, 125 only we are getting. So, but here what number we are having? 233. 27 into 7. Here I put 7 means there also we have to put 7. 27 into 7. 7 7 is 49. 4. 7 2 are 14. So the nearly possible 28 is definitely possible. 28. 28 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 4 6. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 22. So nearly we get the answer. So here 8 means here also we need to put 8 2 24. Clear? So remaining is what? 233 minus 224. 9 remaining. So here 18 means here we need to put 56. Right? So here 9 means we need to put 0. Right? So 2 digit we need to add. So 0. So 0 means 561 into how many times? Here 18, 18 means here 36, sorry. 36. 36 means 36. Suppose here I put 1 means that 361 into 1, 361. 362 into 2, what you are getting? 362 into 2, 4, 12, 1, 6, 7, 724. Suppose here we are adding 362 means 6, 8, 10. 1086 we are getting. So here we are having only what? 900 only we are having. Here 36. 36 into 2 times we are getting 724. So here 20 when we are adding, that time we have to put 0.2 times, that is enough to find. So H equal to approximately 18.2. Approximately we can find it. So like this only we need to find the square root of the number. So for the square root we will take the separate class for square root, how to find the square root for the number. So don't worry about this one, right? So now in a conical tent is given. In conical tent, one person want to live means 22 meters square they need. They are given some is 4 persons they are living in the conical tent. So 4 person into 22, so 88. In conical tent means the area will be considered as a area of a circle, surface area. So I return pi r square. So I find the r square, and then we need to find here what? H. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. We find up to this, and then we take the square root. We are getting 18.2 something. Right? That is approximate value. Thank you.